Hey everyone, guess what I'm doing this year? I'm gonna start working on this thing, I promise. So clearing it out now. I got a bunch of stuff in the back and going to clear this out and engine wise. I don't have to take that out because it's already out. Yeah, I'm going to get the cab off. Well, I'll get the fenders and the front end off. Probably just leave the cab on for now. Pull the bed, and this way I can get to the frame. I'm going to get the frame all cleaned up really good. I mean, it is really clean, but I'm going to get it, sanded more and painted. One of the, part of the reason for not knowing what I want to do is if I do put this on the Little Red Express truck frame and then I try to make a Little Red out of it, I've got a lot of stuff that I need to replace. I don't know if I want to do that. Like, I don't know if I want to try to get a whole new dash that matches, because this one's an AC one, so then I'd have to swap dashes out of the black truck, and because my Little Red was not an AC truck. I just don't know what kind of a restoration I want to do, or if I just want to make another fun driver. Kind of leaning to I just want to make another fun driver, and then maybe put digital gauges in this, and go from there. So let's see. This is savable because, I mean, it's entirely possible I could just put new gauges in here and use this. Whoever did it did a good job. I could probably reuse all that. Oh, here we go. These are the steps I have for the well, they're for the other truck now, unless I end up putting steps on this. Paid a pretty penny for these too. All right, so today I'm gonna get into this, and things are gonna change. I'm not gonna let it sit here anymore. Time for it to get worked on and get a new life. What's up?
Hello.
What's happening?
What up?
What you doing here?
Retrieving the truck, my friend.
Why'd you bring a trailer? Yep. The new thing that's happening is I'm dumping this bastard on Logan.
Your bastard child.
My bastard child. The thing that just has less and less every time. I owe him a lot of things. I owe him like brakes and dash and stuff.
That's okay.
Door panel.
We'll survive.
I'll get them. I got them. I got a gas tank or two.
That didn't sound so much.
Careful, it could come at me. Like that.
Dude, that's money, dude. Hang on, let's
This has been sitting here for like what, 3 years, 4. What will I put here? You know, I think a charger would look good right here, right there. Well, you know, it was a fine idea that I had, but the reality was I just wasn't going to be doing what I needed to for it. I'll probably be regretting it once Logan starts doing shit with it. Go halfway. Okay. And first one. We're doing good. Oh yeah, we're doing good. Perfect. Once it starts to get away, I think you're in trouble, but I think you're good because you're almost at the bottom. There we go.
Dude, man, that's money, dude.
Yep. Not hard, not hard.
Oh, dude, we're way good. Way good.
All right. Okay. Now we crank that hog. We're gonna line that up. Yeah.
Dude, I thought that was gonna go so much worse.
Oh man. All right.
Grab me, huh? You got a woman in the truck.
Cool.
All right, Logan. It's all yours now.
No, you're still gonna have to deal with
Yeah, no, I definitely. Here's Logan's new truck. It's a 1979 Dodge D100. It's been in the family for a whole 3 years.
Yeah, dude, it's bad.
This is working on Clarence. Clarence getting all the white off. Just doing block sanding right now. That's actually not down to the metal. There's many, many layers of paint and primer and paint and then more primer and then more primer. Or whatever this white stuff is. So, I don't know what the end result is going to be, but keep tuned because she'll